Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see the performance report of the free demo call that I had given on 15th Feb. Yesterday, I had given one special demo call. Yesterday, there was a big movement expected in market and that's why I had given this special demo call on 15th Feb so that all my followers and all my subscribers can take the benefit of this movement and they can earn some money out of it. So this demo call, this is the demo call video. If you click on this video, you will find one demo call is given and also the rules of trading that demo call has been discussed. The rules have been discussed in this video. This is my YouTube channel Sunil Suklal Pawar. If you search my complete name Sunil Suklal Pawar on YouTube or on Google, you will find this channel very easily. 18,000 subscribers are already there, and if you type Sunil Pawar options, Sunil Pawar share market, Sunil Pawar stock market, or Sunil Pawar review, or Sunil Pawar software, so whatever tag you type and search in YouTube, then you will find this channel very easily. So this is India's only channel where the direct calls are given. This is the only channel where there is no theory, there is no other knowledge or some type of different videos. Those are not given, but directly the calls are given. If you check here, you will find expiry special demo call for 4th Feb, and then you will find this is the demo call video, this is demo call video, and this is the performance video, 100% accuracy in demo call for 4th of Feb. So this is demo call, this is performance, this is performance. You will find hundreds of the demo calls given here, and the accuracy you can check, it is not less than 90 to 95%. So this is YouTube channel. You can subscribe and you can share with all of your friends so that they can take advantage of these jackpot demo calls. Then this is Telegram channel. This is Telegram channel for the same reason. Here also you will find the demo calls and the performance. So the name of the channel is Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst, but in Telegram you need to type t.me/Sunil Pawar Option King, t.me/Sunil Pawar Option King. You can see this link on screen, t.me Sunil Pawar Option King. You have to just type this link or this description or this link details in Telegram, and you will find this channel. You need to search this link, and then you need to check. There are 3,820 subscribers are there. You will find my profile pic there, and you will also find various demo calls here again in this channel. And this was the demo call. This type of demo calls are given on this Telegram channel also, and in that video, YouTube video also, you will find the similar, this same call is given through that video. And on Telegram channel you need to check, there is everywhere my contact number 9890812070. so this contact number you need to check, and then you can join the channel. So this was the demo call that was given on 15th Feb 10:25 am. That is the time, 10:25 am, that is the standard time when market in my paid services pre-market calls are given to the clients one day before. One day before in the night, client gets calls for next day. But if the next day market opens with big gap up or gap down, then call option may open with above the target, or put option may open above the target. Then in that case pre-market calls are avoided and new fresh calls are given at 10:30. So on 15th Feb market opened with a big gap up, and then pre-market calls opened above the target, and that's why entry price was already missed, and that's why these calls were given at 10:25 so that trader can take trade from 10:30. So this call was given on Telegram channel at what time? we can check. This is the time, 10:28 AM. You can say Monday, February 15th, 10:28 AM is the time. So this was the call given, and the rules of trading these calls were discussed in video. Now this was the same video that was shared here also, and 1600 people have seen that also. Now from 1:39 PM I started sharing the performance. First of all, Fin Nifty, we'll check. This call was given in Fin Nifty. This is a screenshot of the same screenshot. This is same Fin Nifty 17,300, Fin Nifty put 17,300. This is a cut of that screenshot. This is the call. So this was the call given for Fin Nifty. Fin Nifty is a new index, the new index that has been launched just 1 month back. And what is the performance? Put here, put did not cross the entry price. Fin Nifty put 17,300 has not crossed the entry price of 209.84 after 10:30 AM. After 10:30 AM, Fin Nifty put 17,300 has not crossed the entry price of 209.84, and Fin Nifty call 17,300 has crossed 190.67. And what was the performance? We can see here. This is the time. You can check here, 10:34. You can see the time. It was 181. That time when call was given, it was around 181. See here in this system, whenever you get calls will always be below the entry price. You please understand, calls will always be below the entry price. So these are advanced calls. Advanced call means you will get call in advance. So after you got call at 10:25, that time the price was around it was below the entry price. Entry price was 190.67 and it was around 181 to 185. So after almost 11 o'clock it crossed the entry price. After 11 o'clock it crossed Fin Nifty. This is, you can see here, Fin Nifty call 17,300. So after 11 o'clock almost, entry was taken, and entry was very easy. You can see the prices were almost at that range only, and then by 1 o'clock it hit the target. So 11 o'clock, after 11 o'clock the entry happened and the target was hit within 2 hours, that is before 1 o'clock. So this is the performance of Fin Nifty. Fin Nifty called 17,300, entry at 190.67, hit the target of 239.49. Now let us see Bank Nifty. What happened in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty, again these calls were given. This is a cut of the main screenshot. So this Bank Nifty call and Bank Nifty put. Bank Nifty put, again Bank Nifty put 36,700 has not crossed the entry price of 452.39. after which time, after 10:30 AM. Please understand, this call was given at 10:25 AM. So you need to check all these prices after 10:25. So after 10:25 Bank Nifty put 36,700 has not crossed the entry price of 452.39. Bank Nifty call 36,700 has crossed 474.93. Bank Nifty call has crossed the entry price, and then what happened? Let us see. Again 10:33. You can see here it was 404 when call was given. It was trading at 405. It was trading at 405, and by 11:30 entry happened. Entry price was crossed by 11:30 AM. So call was given at 10:25, 10:30, and entry was crossed by 11:30. So it was a big time, and this call was advanced call. So trader first checked the call at 10:25, then he waited for that level to come, and then that level of 474.93 came by 11:30. He took the trade, he entered into the trade here, and for first 1 month, for first 1 hour there was not a good profit, but later on there was a blast and the targets were hit. So it is very easy trading, just following simple rules. So Bank Nifty target was hit. Then Nifty, you can see here, this is 3:40 p.m. 3:40 p.m. Nifty call was not hitting the target, but at 3:30 we'll see that what was the call. Was this Nifty call and put. Nifty put again 15,300, did not cross the entry price of 114.63 after 10:30, after 10:25. After 10:25, if you see, Nifty put 15,300 has not crossed 114.63. Nifty call 15,300 has crossed. Nifty call 15,300 activated and crossed 101.50. And what happened? It crossed by 11 o'clock. I mean, the call was given by 10:30. 11 o'clock it activated. It did not hit the stop loss. It did not hit the stop loss, and it hit the target at the day close, almost a day close. And today in the opening itself, this call is doubled. Nifty call is also doubled today in the opening. So we can see this, and as per rule that was discussed in the video, if the targets are hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. So what is the performance as per that rule? Nifty call 15,300 hit the target in 4 hours, hence it was booked on target because it hit the target beyond 2 hours, so the trade was booked on target itself. Bank Nifty call 36,700, entry at 474.93, hit the target of 582.99 within 2 hours, hence hold till day end. So Bank Nifty call 36,700, entry 474.93, and this trade was hold till 3:20 p.m. as per the rule that was discussed in this video, in YouTube video. In this video, the rule was discussed, and this rule is given in all the videos. This is not new rule, it is very old rule. And if you see this call at the day end, it was 966. Time also you can see 966. We entered at 474 and it went up to 966, means it doubled. Bank Nifty call 36,700 has doubled. Now let us see Fin Nifty. Fin Nifty call 17,300, entry at 190.67, hit target 239.49 within 2 hours, and hence the trade was hold till day end. So the entry was 190.67 and at day end it was 380 almost. So it is also doubled. 381 is the double, is exact double, but it is almost double and just 1 rupee below the double. So for daily such calls you can contact 9890812070. So this is a screenshot, small screenshot that I have shared here, just to understand the trades. So friends, this was the performance of the demo call that was given. This was the performance. This is the performance of demo call that is given, and you can share this YouTube channel and Telegram channel with all of your friends so that they can take benefit of these calls. Capital doubled in the demo call given yesterday. The demo call given on 15th Feb, capital doubled. Only Nifty call was not double, it doubled in today's opening. If somebody has carried it, then only, otherwise it has given target well before the day close. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and share these videos with all of your friends so that they can take advantage of this knowledge and these demo calls. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.